Loving the ocean, no fear. Crawling straight in. Oh, babe, get him. He's going to get a face full of water.
Exactly what Charlie did, Aaron.
That's so funny.
Come on,
Hey, Bag.
come on.
You having fun in the ocean? Look at him crawling straight into the water.
Yay! Go get mommy.
Too cute.
Did you get him, Austin?
No. Open.
Hey, Bug, where are you? There you are. Hey!
Stand up for mommy. Say, hi, mommy.
Hey, Bug.
Hi, mama. That's right, mama.
We having fun at the beach? It's the best.
Here he comes.
Go back, go get him.
Oh my gosh.
There you go,
Here he
boy.
goes.
Oh, this is too funny.
Here they go.
Straight in.
Look at him.
It's gonna get a mouthful of water. Oh, so sweet. Little legs. And there's Gammy. Big fun in La Jolla. It's the best.